there's two reasons for life to become multiplanetary, life as we know it to become multiplanetary. I think one is the defensive reason. We want the light of consciousness to not be extinguished if something were to happen to Earth. Where, in the case of the dinosaurs, they only had to worry about meteors and supervolcanoes and other things. For us humans, we actually have the power to destroy ourselves with nuclear weapons or some sort of crazy bioterrorism thing. There's some danger that is not zero that towards the end of life on Earth as we know it. So that's kind of the defensive reason to ensure that life is not just, and consciousness is not only on Earth. That's the defensive reason to protect the future of consciousness. Then the other big reason, I think, is that it's exciting and it's adventurous and it's inspiring. It makes you think positively about the future. It can't just be about solving one problem or another. There need to be reasons to be inspired, reasons that move your heart and say, yes, the future is going to be great. And when you get up in the morning, I can't wait to see what happens next. And I think that's humanity going to Mars. Even if you don't yourself want to go to Mars, and just watch it. It's a tough gig, frankly. This would not be a luxury expedition. But you'd be able to watch it happen, and I think it would just be incredibly inspiring to the world in the same way that the Apollo program was inspiring to the world. And like I said, there's got to be, life can't just be about solving one problem or another. We need things that make us excited and inspired about the future, and that would be one of them.